How's it going? My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right here is a 2023 Grand Cherokee Laredo that we just took in. I'm gonna make a quick video, go over all the features, just a general walkthrough. Let's hop right into it. And starting out front, first things first, you get the bright white clear coat. Really nice color on these Grand Cherokees. It makes them look so sleek. And with the whole new redesign with the 2021 year, you get this really nice front end. The 7-slot front grille has become so iconic for Jeep. LED headlights as well. Taking a walk along the side of the vehicle now. So this one is going to be the 2-row version of the Grand Cherokee. Compared to its 3rd-row counterpart, it's going to be a little bit shorter of a vehicle. But if you're in the market for a 2-row SUV, this one is perfect. Starting off right down here, you have 18-inch wheels, Michelin tires, which are going to be super well equipped and match with this vehicle's 4-wheel drive system. It's going to be perfect, flawless in the winter. You're going to be taking the road with a lot of confidence. Right here, you have the blacked out side mirrors. These are going to be heated, so you don't have to worry about building. You don't have to worry about ice or snow buildup, and you also get blind spot monitoring. It's going to be a little orange indicator letting you know that a vehicle is in your blind spot. And you have this really nice body line that comes down the whole vehicle. I love the new look of these Grand Cherokees. Right up top, you do still have the roof racks. So if you're an avid skier, avid snowboarder, or just want a cargo bin up top, you can throw it on nice and easy. And lastly, right down here, you have the matte black plastic. This is going to help so that if any rocks jump up while you're driving, it's kind of one last layer of defense so it doesn't hit this paint. And coming to the back of the vehicle, ending off our walkthrough back here, you're going to have park sense down here. If you get too close to anything, like another car, pole, anything like that, it's going to beep at you. Rear-facing camera, let you know what's behind you while you're reversing. And to get inside, it's a button right under there. You can just pop it open and see how much space you have back here. Ton of room for storage. Not going to have to worry about too much about storage and not having enough. Back here, you have your spare tire. These seats also, if you do want more storage area, to get the maximum capacity, you can fold these down 60-40, and yeah, you get a ton of space with them. And coming to the interior now, the back seat, you get a ton of space back here. Really nice cloth seating all the way around. You get some extra cup holders right here as well. Yeah, they do it so well back here. Nothing too crazy, but does it so efficiently. Just giving you space and a comfy ride. Finishing off now in the front seat, cloth seats up here as well. Ton of storage in the center console. Cup holders back here. You actually have some of the plugins all under here, but if you want to hide that, you have the little latch for that. Obviously, your shifter is going to be right there, and coming up here, now we have the infotainment system. This thing's going to be so nice. You connect 5 system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. You have the radio and a ton of different features. You have the climate control in there as well, but a ton of different features to kind of make your own and set some of the settings for the vehicle how you would like. You have a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Let you know, you have a bunch of buttons for the dashboard to set cruise control. You also have paddle shifters, which is a really nice feel. Give you that sporty feel while you're driving, and the option to kind of shift how you would like. Yeah, this one's going to have, if I can check real quick, 35,000 miles on it. So a ton of life left in it. And yeah, going to be enjoying the drive for a ton more years to come. And if you have any more questions that I have not already answered, or you think that this one might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call, come on in, take it for a test drive. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire. We're at Route 101.